Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Education. We shall resume our daily current affairs MCQ videos. So let us begin our today's video. Starting with the first question, consider the following statements regarding the India-Russia Joint Technology Assessment and Accelerated Commercialization Program. Statement 1. It aims for an accelerated development and distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Statement 2. It has been launched by the Department of Science and Technology in partnership with India and Russian industry associations. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option B, 2 only. It has been launched by the Department of Science and Technology in partnership with Indian and Russian industry associations. Coming to the explanation, the vaccine development is not the principal objective of the program. The program will connect Indian and Russian science and technology-led small and medium enterprises and startups for joint R&D for technology development and for cross-country technology adaptation. The program will run through 2 annual cycles with up to 5 projects to be funded under each cycle. Projects are being sought on leading S&T focus areas including but not limited to IT and ICT, medicine, renewable energy, aerospace, environment, biotechnologies, robotics, and drones. The Department of Science and Technology has launched the India-Russia Joint Technology Assessment and Accelerated Commercialization Program in partnership with the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry and Foundation for Assistance to Small Innovative Enterprises of the Russian Federation. Over a period of 2 years, the Department of Science and Technology will fund up to 15 crore rupees to 10 Indian small and medium enterprises or startups, and Foundation for Assistance to Small Innovative Enterprises will provide similar funding to the Russian projects. Moving on to the next question. Consider the following statements about Bru Tribes. Statement 1. They also referred to as the Ryans are spread across the northeastern states of Tripura, Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. Statement 2. Hojagiri folk dance, well known all over the world, is performed by Bru people. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option C, both 1 and 2. Both the statements are correct. Brus, also known as Ryans, are ethnically different from the Mizos with their own distinct language and dialect and form one of the 21 scheduled tribes of Tripura. The Brus spread across Tripura, Mizoram and parts of southern Assam are the most populous tribe in Tripura. Hojagiri folk dance is performed by Bru people, which entails women and young girls, about 4 to 6 members in a team singing, balancing on an earthen pitcher and managing other props such as a bottle on the head while only the lower half of the body is moved. Heading to the next question, which of the following countries are part of the International North-South Transport Corridor INSTC? Option 1, Iran. Option 2, Kazakhstan. Option 3, China. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer for this is option A, 1 and 2 only, which means Iran and Kazakhstan. Russia, Iran and India are the founding members of the International North-South Transport Corridor INSTC. Other important member states include Azerbaijan, Armenia, Kazakhstan and Belarus. China is not a member. International North-South Transport Corridor is a multimodal transportation that connects Indian Ocean and Persian Gulf to the Caspian Sea via Iran, then is connected to St. Petersburg and North European via Russian Federation. Heading to the next question. With reference to Open Credit Enablement Network, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It was developed by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Statement 2. They act as a common language for lenders and marketplaces to utilize and create innovative financial credit products at scale. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option B, 2 only. OCEN is a credit protocol infrastructure which will mediate the interactions between loan service providers, usually fintech and mainstream lenders, including all large banks and NBFCs. It is developed by a think tank, Indian Software Products Industry Roundtable. Open Credit Enablement Network will democratize credit, help small businesses. Open Credit Enablement Network will act as a common language for lenders and marketplaces to utilize and create innovative financial credit products at scale. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following institution publishes the financial stability reports? Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Option C, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Option D, Public Debt Management Agency. The correct answer for this is option A, Reserve Bank of India. The financial stability reports are published by Reserve Bank of India after approved by FSDC subcommittee by taking inputs from financial sector regulators, that is RBI, SEBI, FPRDA, IRDAI, including Ministry of Finance. These are periodic exercises for reviewing the nature, magnitude, and implications of risk that may have a bearing on the macroeconomic environment, financial institution, markets, and infrastructure. The Financial Stability Reports July 2020 highlights the capital to risk weighted assets ratio of scheduled commercial banks edged down to 14.8% in March 2020 from 15% in September 2019. Their gross non-performing asset ratio declined to 8.5% from 9.3%. Macro stress tests for credit risk indicate that the GNPA ratio of all SCBs may increase from 8.5% in March 2020 to 12.5% by March 2021. Under the baseline scenario, the ratio may escalate to 14.7% under a very severely stressed scenario. Heading to the next question. New START treaty often found in news is associated with option A, India and China de-escalation plan, option B, US and Russia, option C, Pakistan and Bangladesh, option D, North Korea and South Korea. The correct answer for this is option B, US and Russia. New START is a nuclear arms reduction treaty between the United States and the Russian Federation with the formal name of Measures for the Further Reduction and Limitation of Strategic Offensive Arms. It was signed on 8 April 2010 in Prague and after ratification entered into force on 5th February 2011. Moving on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding the viral spike protein. Statement 1. It plays a crucial role in penetrating host cells and initiating infection by binding to receptors on the host cell. Statement 2. Spike proteins on a virus can induce antibody immune response in the body. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option C, both 1 and 2. Both the statements are correct. The spike protein is a highly glycosylated transmembrane fusion protein that is made up of amino acids. The presence of ACE proteins on the coronavirus is what gives rise to the spike-shaped protrusions found on their surface. Spike protein plays a crucial role in penetrating host cells and initiating infection. The cell entry programs for these viruses are orchestrated by the viral spike proteins that bind cellular receptors and also mediate virus cell membrane fusions. In addition to its role in penetrating cells, the spike protein is the main antigenic component that is responsible for inducing host immune responses, neutralizing antibodies, and/or protective immunity against virus infection. Spike protein has therefore been selected as an important target for many coronavirus vaccine and antiviral developments. Moving on to the next question. Totalisation agreement, sometimes seen in news between India and US, is related to option A, Defense Technology and Trade Agreement, option B, Social Security Agreement, option C, Visa for Indian citizens, option D, Free Trade Agreement. The correct answer for this is option B, Social Security Agreement. Experts suggest that India and the US should sign Totalisation Agreement as it will provide social security to Indian professionals in America. The Totalisation Agreement is an international social security pact that eliminates dual social security taxation, both in the home country and in the nation where an employee works. Once it is signed, the agreement would benefit workers of both the countries and ensure equality of treatment. It is a long-pending demand of India for early conclusion of the Totalisation Agreement or Social Security Agreement with the US. It aims to protect interests of professionals of Indian origin who contribute more than $1 billion each year to the US Social Security. Under this pact, professionals of both the countries would be exempted from Social Security taxes when they go to work for a short period in the other country. Heading to the next question. Which of the following entities come under the regulation of Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI? Option 1, investment banks. Option 2, alternative investment funds. Option 3, real estate investment trust. Option 4, infrastructure investment trust. Select the correct answer code. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 2, 3 and 4. Option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer for this is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the above mentioned options are correct. Some of the financial entities regulated by SEBI are investment banks, capital markets, stock brokers, real estate investment trust, infrastructure investment trust, stock exchanges, commodities, futures or options, alternative investment funds. Heading to the next question. Flying ash is a fine powder that is a byproduct of burning pulverized coal in electric generation power plants. Which of the following are the applications of fly ash? Option 1, increases the yield of many agricultural crops. Option 2, fly ash bricks offer high strength and durability. Option 3, filling material for roads and filling abandoned mines. Select the correct answer code. Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer for this is option D, 1, 2 and 3. All the above mentioned options are correct. Flying ash is used in various sectors like brick making, roads and embankments, construction, cement manufacturing, agricultural uses, reclamation of low-lying areas and mine filling. Fly ash has great potentiality in agriculture due to its efficiency in modification of soil health and crop performance. The high concentration of elements like potassium, sodium, zinc, calcium, magnesium and iron in flying ash increases the yield of many agricultural crops. Fly ash bricks are more popular presently since it weighs 28% less than clay bricks as well as shows higher strength. So this is the end of today's video. Hope you like the video. So please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel for our upcoming videos. Thank you.